There are many people who can hear sounds clearly, yet they struggle to listen. And there are many who can speak freely, yet find it hard to speak what is true. In today's gospel, Jesus meets a man who is deaf and cannot speak well. Jesus does not rush him. He takes him aside, he touches his ears and his tongue, and he quietly says, "Be opened." You know, this healing is not only about the body, it is about the heart. How often are our ears closed to God because our life is too noisy? How often is our voice silent because we are afraid to change? You know, Jesus still says to us today, be open. Open to listen, open to speak with truth, open to let God heal us slowly and patiently in ordinary moments in our lives. Amen.